evening. Just thought I might share these videos with you guys. I know a lot of you that have kids probably came across these problems ever so often with them writing on the wall. Today I decided to look up on YouTube how to get rid of these, and I've seen many different things, but I decided to try my own remedy. I use normal dishwashing liquid with an old toothbrush I have, and I find it's working. So I just thought I might share this with you. It was all here before, and it have a little bit here, so I just let me show you guys. So just take a little bit in here and apply it over the area. And as you can see, it's coming out. I'm not really a YouTuber, I'm not into these things, but I just thought I should share this video. You can see that, wow, this camera is so, it's adjusting. Okay, you can see that here, and it's gone. See? And here, and I just take damp cloths and just wipe it, and that's it. Just leave it to dry, and it's just as before. You don't have to repaint the wall or anything. Thanks for watching my video.